Morning, it's Timed Edge, live London session. It's Thursday the 27th of August. The end of the horrible month is near and September, normal trading conditions will probably resume. More volume, more liquidity. Let me just set up the camera. Hold on 2 seconds, I'll just put this all together. Okay, we're back. Right, yesterday's price action didn't really do a lot for us in order to take any kind of position. The news, I was looking for longs. On a weekly cycle. This chair is terrible. If you ever buy a bully's chair, don't bother. It's a waste of money. Nothing but problems. So yeah, 6B dropped below this liquidity. I thought we might push up and start targeting some liquidity above here. There's some imbalance here, and then obviously liquidity above, resting above the high. Yeah, definitely would have taken that previous day's higher, but it didn't had other ideas. It rolled over after the news at 1:30, and now it's Thursday 7 a.m. or 10 to 7. So let's have a little markup of the charts. See what we can see today. What is the VIX? The VIX is 17, so we're below 20. Normal model applies. Let's take a look at the bonds. We had a bullish day on the bonds yesterday, didn't we? We had a bullish profile there on the Tuesday, so we were expecting a bullish continuation, or at least a wick above, and I don't think we got either. So that's a. Oh, did that wick above? No, equal highs. So yeah, maybe we get the wick below today and we get a continuation long. Maybe that happens. We've got this imbalance here, inefficiency. So maybe we take the low and then go for the high and start building back up. That would then push the euro long. If that does happen, let's have a look at the weekly chart on the euro quickly. Yeah, we have a 60% chance that after a bullish bar like this, we would take, or at least wick above or close above. So at the moment, we're not doing a lot. Looks like we've come back, tested the open of the previous weeks, and then we're rolling to the downside. Anyway, the bonds range daily profile. No clear change in state of delivery. So it won't be going on any confluences today. We're expecting higher prices because we've got a weekly close above previous month's high. We have filled this free candle model here on the monthly time frame. You can see that 1, 2, 3 high taken. So week 4, continuation or reversal. I do this fresh all the time, just I go through it again every day, just so I know I'm seeing everything, in case I miss something. It's a good habit to get into rather than just leaving the lines on your chart. Okay, so no liquidity points have been traded through on all the assets there. Still got the high and lows intact, so we have to find a smaller liquidity. We have a bearish daily profile. All assets close below, or 2 of the assets close below. So 6S and 6B close. It looks like we are playing out of that bearish daily CRT, right? So if we do play that pattern, let's just mark this up so everyone can see. We're working within this range of this candle. This becomes the draw. Okay, so we could get a slow burn down into this if that is the case. Bearish daily profile yesterday. We could be working down in this range. So when I say bearish daily profile, it means I want to sell above the open. And the open is at 5 AM. That closed up there. We went above the open there. Looks like everything, all the assets have taken Asia low. But no daily cycle, so I mean that would be the logical point. Previous day's low there. There's going to be a lot of liquidity resting below that low on 6B. Okay, so that's a potential trade idea for us if we take previous day's low and then we get the 1 hour CRT model with whatever condition I've got or what condition it gives me. Actually, that's something I need to add to my confluence checklist is Thursday. Thursday is often built for reversal. So yeah, we've had a contraction Monday, manipulation Tuesday, manipulated, we had a weekly cycle Tuesday, pushed us higher back into the open. We've rejected the open and rejected the weekly open, and now we're pushing down. If we do manage to take previous day's low on Wednesday, this could reverse, and then we've got clear imbalance above, right? So we've got inefficiency above. Price will hunt inefficiency or old highs and lows. So that's where orders are resting. So if we take previous day's lows, good chance we might mean revert on this candle. So yeah, be watching for that trade, and that will be my target. Let's have it, just draw a fib. Okay, so it matches bang on with that Q standard deviation. So if we get below, that'll be first target, and we can manage it from there. Let's hope we get a. It's 7 now, so it's just gone 7. 1 minute past. Maybe 8 a.m. might take out the low. 8 a.m. would be a fantastic time for that to go. While we're here, let's do the Asia range. $15-minute. So yeah, all assets have taken the sell side liquidity from Asia, not done anything with it. So we've got no daily cycle there. Very tight Asian range. I'm just going to start doing that today, this evening, is measure the Asia range to get some better numbers. So if Asia range, then it's more likely London's going to make the wick of the day. So that's good. If we do take out previous day's low and then we mean revert, or maybe even clear some of this liquidity up here. We are bearish on the profile, so, but it would mean getting back above maybe Asia to take the short. I'm not liking where we are now, and I think 6E is a little bit too far away from. The last kiss model would be when all assets are resting above, just above the high, above a high or low. So if they were all in this scenario, this looks a bit too far away from me. But if they were all here and we were trending down, we wicked above at 7 AM or something like that in order to take that low, I would take that trade just because we've got a draw of liquidity here, which would be enough here and here, but 6E is not there, not where it needs to be. If we open low, high, close, right, so we could be expecting a bullish bar here, if that is the case. We've wicked below, but that doesn't give us any, that's not giving us any trade. That's not a trade idea, it's just a statement. Open, low, high, close. How bars are formed, right? So we had the open, low, high, close. Okay, let's just have a little look at the index market, 707. I had to delete some stuff off here yesterday, to be honest. It's month 8, it's August. other key levels have been taken and 2 assets closed above, right? So got bearish weekly profile. We haven't quite taken previous week's high. I'm just going to mark that in on YM. It's going to be a draw of liquidity above there. Two of the assets have wicked below, so ES and NQ. So did we hit a weekly mean reversion? I think we must have hit it yesterday. Oh look, there we go. So that's bouncing just off the, we've mean reverted. And if you say that that doesn't matter, look at that, it's to the tick. Okay, so we wicked below the previous week. I said yesterday that we could go up and see a mean reversion. And to the tick, ES has hit that weekly mean reversion there. Whether we go up and take that buy side liquidity above previous week's high on YM is another story. But at the moment, let's just focus on price action and see, whatever we see we can trade. We've had this gap up on 2 of the assets. That's been filled already. And we're closing back over the gap. Go on to the daily. No 3 candle model there. Well, there's a bearish weekly 3 candle model, isn't there? If we take that fixed full body candle, this could be working within this range, or it could be playing into the inefficiency and then going above. So, because we're still in a bullish trend, okay? But we have wicked above. So let's see what happens here. Daily profile. Previous Wednesdays was a range daily profile. Just means I want to see a few more confluences before I take a trade. We did gap up over previous day. Let's have a little look at the 6 hour, see if we got a close. We did get a close above, but now it's closing back down through the gap. Just on the 15-minute now, just yeah, measuring out Asia. See if we've expanded. Perfect tap into that weekly mean reversion. So all assets below. And we've expanded in Asia, so we can expect a contraction. So we need more price action to form on the index market for us to take a trade. I cannot wait for September when some normal price action comes back. We've got no news today, so it's just a case of waiting for the opens, I think, and trade around the open. Finished some of my data collection last night. I'll start a new, fresh set. So yes, maybe we get a daily cycle, we go up and take some of this liquidity, buy side liquidity above that previous week's high. We're filling some of this imbalance from YM and this imbalance here. A little bit to think about. More of a waiting game. Let's go back to the FX triad. Seems to be moving up. None of the assets have taken any liquidity though, so nothing we can do. If I was you, I'd be setting alerts for previous day's high, previous day's low. We need some volume to come in the market at the moment. It's been a slow month. It's been a very slow month. Took a couple of losses. Nothing really happened this month for me. August is always predominantly slow. From May to September, the market drops considerably in terms of volume in ranges. So yeah, it's expected. August is predominantly the worst for volume. So I'll be back at 8 AM and we can hopefully something happens and we've got a trade.